Hi everyone, it's me, Embergrim. So today for the first time I'll try to speak English in my video, and I'll be extremely happy to get some support from you guys by hitting the like button and following my accounts in social media. Today I'm going to do a wig review and show you my new purple gorgeous wig from Sapphirewigs shop. They have a huge collection of different wigs, so you definitely can find your favorite colors there. Make sure you check this out, because they provide a huge amount of fabulous wigs for you. So let's open my parcel and take a look at this new treasure. I'm so excited to put this wig on because its color really amazing and unique. Look at this. Also, I'm in love with the quality of this wig. It's quite long and has a huge amount of hair, what allows the hair to look very voluminous and rich. Also, wig has super cute curls, and I'm happy that after brushing it up, wig keeps his form. Every curl stays there and there's no need to fix them. Hairstyle looks like after expensive salon care. So let's take a look at the details of the construction. The hairline looks very natural because of a lace in the front. This lace part of the wig can let us move the line between hairs as we want. Also, it's very good that the wig has 3 mini comb clips which can help to fix wig on the head. And the best thing of the construction is a clasp which helps to control the size of the wig cap and let us get the best and comfortable size of the wig. I can't wait to wear this amazing wig, but firstly I should cut off this lace. Let's do it together. You should be careful on this and cut not so close to the hairline. And here it is. When a wig is ready, I should fix my own hair. Except the wig, the seller put in a parcel 2 wig caps, so let's get it on. And I'm ready to wear the wig. I put it on from the front to the back. Oh my god, I'm really in love with this wig. Amazing color. I should brush the wig from tips to length. And that's all. The hairline looks really natural, like a real human hair, and you can move the wig to get new hairline here, or maybe here. You can get different looks. I can honestly say that I'm in love with this wig because it looks really dreamy. I'm so excited of this color since the first glance on it, and I'm so happy to have it on my head. I'm very curious about your opinion of this wig and my video. Do you like it? I hope you do. If so, leave a like and comment down below. And see you in my next videos. Bye!